Later this summer, I'm quitting my job. Yay for you! And starting my own structural engineering firm. How can I use digital assets to help my small business? I love this. People not working for the man, people becoming financially independent, setting up their own business, hanging their own shingle. It is very rewarding, and you make your money. Don't have people make money off your back. So, very proud of you. First of all, so many advantages for using crypto as a business. I don't even know where to begin. So this is going to be, we're going to go through this fast, but jot down what you think. First of all, you will be better positioned embracing crypto as a business. It is global, give you more access to customers around the world, and the demographic group is typically younger, more technical, and has more disposable income. Boom, 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 win win. It'll also enable access to new capital, liquidity pools, and real time money transfers. And forget all the bank charges, etc. You can skip all those, which is important as a business to minimize your costs. And well positioned against inflation if there's a company treasury. So there's a whole bunch of stuff. You can accept crypto as payments. We've covered this many times. An option for customers to pay you in crypto. Um, Use credit cards to get crypto credits as well, and a whole bunch of other stuff. We don't need to go back that. You can accept crypto payments. Is so easy with Now Payments, BitPay, Coinbase Commerce. Set up your own wallet in minutes and accept payments, and then you can store some in your treasury. You can hire with crypto. A rising, I think, 60% of 18 to 24-year-olds would rather get paid their salary in cryptocurrency. They don't want fiat. So they see cryptocurrency as a smart investment. They believe crypto is the future, not equities, not fiat. And they believe in greater flexibility and a hedge against inflation. Cash is trash, etc. So many advantages. Also, not it doesn't end there. You can hire freelancers and pay them in crypto. Crypto Grind, XBT Freelancer, Coinality, and you can hire a full-time employee at crypto jobs, cryptocurrency jobs, and crypto jobs list. So many places to get good people. In addition, you can actually drive a lot of customer acquisition with crypto. You can use branding to brand your business with NFTs. You can give away free NFTs to top customers or loyal customers. And again, you reach a much broader audience, and they'll follow the lines of all these big companies that are doing that with customers acquisition with crypto. You've got your NFL, you got digital Hot Wheels, you got your ASICS and Nike and all the sports brands jumping in on the game too. And you can add crypto to your treasury, like MicroStrategy and Tesla and Square and all our favorite names as well. And the list goes on and on. And you can also give back with crypto, like we did with More to Life and Tallycoin, and we donate to Sea Shepherd cryptocurrency. So again, the lists go on and on as to what you can do.